Ring's new Wired Video Doorbell Pro is now recording in 4K quality, which I thought it would never happen. It also has a pretty wide field of view and has the low light side that with some lighting at night, this is the footage. And also has infrared black and white night vision when it gets too dark. It can record 24/7 with Ring's premium plan, but even with just motion events, it has a pre-recording that you will not miss any detected events. It has quick replies.
Please leave the package outside. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
And the audio is pretty clear even in two-way talk.
Yes, can I help you?
So, are you upgrading to the Ring Video Doorbell Pro?